Hello everyone. Are you a digital finance institution? In this video, you must be ready to unlock the full potential of your GCash account. We are here to help you with this tutorial to create and verify your GCash account using your national ID in 2023. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to seamless transactions. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So here I am guys on the website. First of all, let's check if GCash is actually available in your country. So copy the name of the URL and then paste it on Google and add next to it available countries. So here, as you can see, this new offering will be available to GCash users across 21 countries alone. One of them is Egypt, Ghana, India, Malaysia, Mexico, Nepal, Nigeria, Pakistan, Panama, Peru, Singapore, South Africa, Spain, Sri Lanka, United Arab Emirates, and United Kingdom, United States of America, Vietnam, Yemen, and Zambia. So these are all the countries that have been accepted by the GCAS. In case you didn't have or you didn't belong to one of these countries, what you could do is use this Hola VPN to at least be able to connect to an IP that is accepted by GCash. Then start creating your account. So let's click on register by going to this button and then proceed to GCash registration. Now let's wait until the page loads and start by putting your phone number. So here you must put your phone number, which is for me here in the US. So I'm gonna put my phone number and then be right back to you guys. So guys, unfortunately for now, GCash doesn't accept any country but Philippines. As you can see, the only country that has been accepted by this phone number is Philippines. So this is the tutorial for you in case it's got accepted. So this tutorial can be followed from you from PC or mobile phone. It doesn't really matter. So first of all, you gotta go to your application, which is the same thing that I've showed you. Put your phone number and then you will receive a code. So here it is, you put it. And then you have to put your informations from the personal into your address and then you gotta click on confirm. Then of course you have to set your mobile pin in case you were on mobile, and if not you can simply just click on submit on PC and it shall be created. Now this is it for these steps. Now to verify your account, all you have to do is to actually join your account. So once you join your account, what you have to do is get one of these ID, which is driver's license, passport, Phil Health card, UMID, Foster's ID, says SSS ID, PRC ID, and Postal ID. So these are the IDs that has been recommended for you to use in case you wanted to verify your account. The next step to do is to take a picture of these ID, as you can see. And there is a conditions for each ID. For example, your ID must be valid, not expired, with a validity period indicated on your ID. The name on your ID must match the name on your GCash account. Your ID must have an ID number. The ID must be laminated if it is a paper type. Your ID must have your signature. ID must be in good physical condition and not tempered. So this is for the IDs, and for you next you have to take a selfie. So these are the conditions for selfie. Take the photo in a well lit room. Ensure to scan yourself and that you are the only one scanned. No one is beside you in the picture. Ensure that your face is recognizable. Show your full face. Do not cover your face with mask or like anything like that. Helmets, any head accessory or face accessory, do not put it in your face. Wait for the camera to finish scanning your face, and of course, wear something proper. Do not get a picture naked. That's actually is like a simple t-shirt. That's all you need. And then you just have to wait until they actually verify your account. So now you have actually sent them every single uh, ID like document that they need. So everything is on them from now. You just have to wait. This is the process, how it works, how you must take the picture of yourself, and how everything works. So, and finally, here you will get to a page where you'll find your review information. Make sure that everything is correct, and then you will get your application submitted text, and then you have to wait until they accept your account and eventually verify you. So these are the ways on how to get verified using an ID card or national ID card. So yeah, and basically it's preferable to be from Philippines. If not, you can use like a driver's license, passport, and this one is only Philippine, I guess. These others ones are only for Philippine. But yeah, for others, I think you can simply use whatever document you have outside the Philippine zone. You can use, for example, national ID. You can use your you can't really use your society number in case you are from US citizen. You can't really do that. You just have to use your driver license, or you can use your passport or the national ID. Beside that, nothing else will actually be accepted by them. So put that in mind in case you are interested in registering. So you will go through a lot of steps, and then by the end, you will get rejected since you don't have one of these documents. So put that in mind. And as you saw, guys, the getting verified is really important. So once you get fully verified, you really are going to get a bunch of options. For example, here you will get as basic, which is normal account. You can send offline cash in, you can buy it load, pay bills, and pay using QR code and have a GCash MasterCard. In the fully verified account, you can do all of these things, and you can also send money, shop online, bank transfer, have G credit, have G insure, G invest, and G saving. So you can have a saving account, invest, insurance, credit card, transfer money from the GCash into your bank account, shop online, send money, which is you can somehow use it or use this function or this feature as a basic normal account, which is really pushes everyone to get the fully verified account. So that's why, guys, think I suppose most of you are using or watching this video, which is to send money. And yeah, this is why you have to fully verify your account using this document that I've showed you, following the steps that I showed you in this video. So yeah, guys, that was completely it about today's video. I tried to make it simple for you so you can understand the basics of how to get verified on GCash. I hope you guys liked this video, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.